Welcome back to MacMoment, everyone. Recent my MacBook Air will stuck on the question mark screen very often during the power on process. It's pretty annoying, so I check it out. I find out a way that can fix this issue easily. Come and try it with me. This time, we will be using a tool named 4D Dig MacBoot Genius to fix our MacBook Air. This is a free tool that can easily reset your Mac's MC, or NVRAM. Check out the link in the description if you are interested. Once finished install, run MacBoot Genius on your Mac, then click the Reset NVRAM option. Now you need to disable system integrity protection here. You can take a photo of this guide or follow my move. For MacBook without Apple, Silicon, or T2 chip on, restart your MacBook. When the screen turns black, press the Command and R key until MacBook enters recovery mode. Once get in here, expand the utility option and click Terminal. Enter this command, C-Cell Disable, and press Enter. Then click Apple icon and restart your MacBook. Once the restart is okay, run MacBoot Genius again. Click the Reset NVRAM option and enter your password. Click Restart option. Restart now. Then the Reset NVRAM process will begin. Make sure you don't touch anything during the process. It will take a while. Be patient and relax. Then you can see, my MacBook is reset completed. I can access my MacBook Air without any problem. The question mark screen issues are gone, and all my data are still there. Go try it out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest Mac tips and tricks. See you in the next video.